vows of children for their parents. When you grow old, we promise to look after you and care for you. How can we forget the care and warmth with which you brought us up when we were helpless infants? If you pause or forget during your conversation, we will be patient. We remember how we used to repeat the same thing over and over again, and you would patiently listen and never get irritated. If you dirty your clothes or spill tea on them, we will never express our anger and will recall the time when we would be dirtying our own clothes every day. Achha. If you dirty your clothes or spill tea on them, we will never express our anger and will recall the time when we would dirty our own clothes every day while playing, and you would happily change and wash them. It will be a pleasure and honor. It will be a pleasure and honor for us if you choose to live with us. What good is a house if it cannot accommodate you? Feel free to speak out whatever you have in mind. If you utter something childish, we will never snub you, and remember how you showed patience to us when we would blabber in our childhood. If you would like to go to a doctor, it will be our first priority to take you there. We very well know that you only make this demand when you cannot bear your illness. How can we forget how you spent sleepless nights when we would be sick? If to remain busy, you would like to learn the technology of the modern era, such as email, internet, Facebook, and WhatsApp, we will make an effort to teach you. We know how painstakingly you taught us to read, write, eat, and change clothes. Please bless us with your prayers and forgive us for any harsh words that we may have said to you intentionally or unintentionally.